happy and I'm very grateful to be part of this 2012 Morning Cup. This is my first time to join a morning competition and I'm very, very happy. And I just hope that everybody's having fun as well as I do.
Yay!
I'm very nervous, but it's okay. It's okay.
It's always like this. So, big applause for Lizelle.
Short introduction. My cocktail will be, I call it dark and smoky. Dark and smoky. You will see, you will find out later why you call like that. And it's composed of Lafroy. Lafroy is the porter cask. Everybody know Lafroy for being smoky, peaty, but of course the balance of the sweet, velvety, soft taste. I love this.
Ay, wala akong nagraan. Nandito ako sa ano.
And cough syrup. Everybody knows.
Nandito ako sa Magdilis.
I chose this one. It balanced very well my cocktail and very interesting morning dark chocolate sauce. Yeah. So it's like we are used to using chocolate syrup. So for
Malapit sa mga
chocolate sauce.
Jumeirah Beach.
And for my mocktail, I'm gonna use passion fruit, Caribbean, very nice, tasty,
Teka lang,
refreshing.
teka lang.
Perfect.
Okay, do you need to take a shot of Lafroy before you start to relax yourself? Chug it.
I'm okay, I'm okay. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So your time starts now.
Yes. For this one, I'm gonna be mixing gum syrup, 1 cl for each cocktail, like I mentioned. I'm gonna be putting 2 cl
Ayun, sa
because
Magdilis.
I'm gonna be mixing 2 glasses, one for one. Shaking cocktail, by the way. And then after that, I'm gonna put the morning sauce. Very interesting. It should everybody, all the bars should have this one.
Ito na, binibidyo ko na.
Okay, I'm gonna have
Meron pa. Meron pa.
1.5 for this.
Laki, no? Lapakitan na kasi yung bote.
And by the way, happy 100 years anniversary to Mommy. And then my beautiful whiskey, 5 cl.
Don't be nervous.
I had the coffees this morning.
Go, 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 Lizelle.
You take coffee anymore. Everybody shaking on stage.
And I'm ready for shaking.
Oh, it's a sexy shake.
This morning. Ready. vanilla or chocolate. Complements very well. And you can enjoy it also with a nice cigar. Very cool. That's it. Thank you. And for my mocktail, I'm gonna be doing a virgin hurricane. Yeah? So for the virgin hurricane, I'm gonna be using passion fruit. Very tasty, very refreshing. For me, this is the most tasteful among the morning line. Caribbean. 3 more minutes. Woo! Okay, for the Caribbean, sir. Okay. First, this one, I'm gonna be using one whole lime, cut into 8 pieces. Squeeze and drop. I don't want to muddle it because I don't need the bitter taste. I'm trying to avoid that one. So just nice and easy. Squeeze and drop. You can do this at home. Squeeze and drop. Hey guys, are you having fun? Very good.
By the way, don't try this at home. Go to professionals. You need your money.
That's it. 1.5 cl for the passion fruit. Caribbean. And then orange and pineapple. 6 cl. Actually, it's up to you. If you want to, if you like pineapple, then add some more pineapple. If you like orange, then put some more orange. But for this one, I'm gonna be very accurate. Correct. Put a dash, generous amount of crushed ice. Shake, not that much. You don't want to come out with a diluted